Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to another video. And in this video we're gonna be discussing about 6 ways in which you can make money on Fiverr with no special skill. With all this method I'm gonna share with you, you don't have to be the one that will definitely do the job. So I'll be showing you through the kind of niche you can actually offer on the Fiverr marketplace and source it out to people that I can actually do it for you perfectly and at a cheap or cheaper rate, and you make your own money out of it. So any amount you charge your client doesn't matter. So those people that will work, that will do the job for you, can charge you even less than 10% of what you charge your clients on the Fiverr marketplace. So that will be very perfect and good for you to make money on Fiverr, even though you'll not be the one to do it by yourself. So I'll be walking you through all these 6 niches that you can actually do. So all these skills, you don't have to be the one that will do it. So it's a perfect way for you to get started and make money on Fiverr. So the first niche that we'll be looking up to is ebook cover design. So I would like to check on Fiverr to see this niche and see how it's performing. Then we'll go through the website to that we use to offer the service, or we'll outsource the service to. So ebook cover design. So with this particular keywords, we have 13,000 gigs on this with this keywords. So let's click on any of the gig and see what's going on. Okay, these have 3 orders in queue, then 8,000 of review already. So you can see that it's high in demand. So I would like to check on the website in which, and you can see the price as well. So $10, $20 and $40. So this exact package. So let's see on the website. Okay, SEO Cloud. So here is the website that you will be using to outsource your project. So let's search for ebook cover design and see the price. Wow, so you can see here the exact package that someone is charging for $40. You can see it here for just five or $4. You can see here, even though $1. So you can see all this. So you can see here, and you will get an amazing designs. You get an amazing designs. So you can see here $2. It just depends on the seller that you actually want to use on this marketplace. So everything is dependent on you. You can see these amazing designs for just $4. So it's great for you to start. It's great for you to start or using this website. And of course, if you get an order of $40, so and you did it for $4 here, you see you have like $30 left after Fiverr have charged their own fee for their escrow. So you can see this is amazing. So that's for that. The second niche that we'll be looking at too is YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. Okay, yeah. So here we have 7,000 gigs. So you can see here. Let's click on this gig. Wow, this is great. $60 for 10 thumbnails. So let's check on the marketplace, which is SEO Clark, and see what's going on there. YouTube thumbnail. Oh shit. Okay, yeah. So you can see here, I will design 3 YouTube thumbnails for just $1. So imagine you now order for three packages, which is like nine designs. So that would be like just $3, and this one is charging $60 for the 10 designs. So you can see here, this is an amazing package for you if you want to make money on the Fiverr marketplace. So this is so amazing. You can see here different gigs just as Fiverr. So it depends on the seller that you think you want to hire to do the job for you, and also you can check on their reviews to see the one that actually perfect for your work. So that one is depends to you on the seller that you want to hire. So you can see here, you can see, so different gigs you can order. So that's that for the second niche. So the third niche, you can actually do it by yourself if you want to do it. You can actually do it by yourself if you want to do it, which is background remover. Sorry. Okay, you can see all these keywords here. So 44,000 gigs with these keywords. So in case you want to do it by yourself, or you want to use the website, but our advice is just do it by yourself, so that you have the whole money to yourself without paying anybody. So you can actually use this website. Okay, I think I've used it of recent. So you can use this remove.bg to do the job, and it's very simple. It's very simple. You drag a picture and drop. Let me try it and see. Let me try it. Headshot. Okay. Just drag and drop. The buyer will provide you the image you should use. You can see here. You can see here. So you can edit to remove all these parts. You can edit to remove all these parts. So it's very simple as this. So you can do it by yourself, or you come to SEO Clark again if you think you don't want to stress yourself. So you hire someone to do it for you. Remove background. Okay, so you can see here, and if you hire someone from here, definitely they are still going to use that website I just showed you for you to do your job. So it's better you do it by yourself, and it doesn't take you any time because the buyer will provide you the picture to use. So all you have to do is just to go to this website and upload the image, then remove it, then deliver to your client with no stress. So I think that's very easy to do. So let's move on to the fourth niche we are going to be discussing about, which that one is SEO backlinks. In this niche, it's never gets stopped. Like, people always buy it. So you can see all these top rated sellers, these are what they are actually saying. So 9,000 gigs already. So yeah, let's click on this link. Wow, this is shocked. 92 orders. You can see here, and all these things you can still come here to offer the service. You can still come here. You can see SEO backlinks. What someone is charging for $10, you see $5 here, and what someone is charging for $90, you see like within $19 or less. Although you can see some orders at high rate, but that's not what you actually need. So just go and search for the one that you think it's best for you for pertaining to the order that you get, so without any stress. You can see here, this is amazing. You can see different packages, different gigs. So it just depends on the one that you think it will work for you. So that one is left to you. So I think you understand all these four niches now. Then the fourth one we'll be looking up to is YouTube promotion. There are a lot of people who are looking up for this YouTube promotion of a thing because they want to get their video promoted to people, to large audience, so they can come here to hire you. Then you go on to that site again to do the job. So you can see here YouTube video promotion. So you can come here, everything is here for you on SEO Cloud. So if you want to generate views, subscribers, likes, comment, and everything is here for you. Everything is here for you. So you don't have to have any special skill, because all you have to do is just understand what buyers need, then come here on SEO Cloud and hire someone that you think it's best for you. Then the person will work on the job, then you get paid. Let me click on this game. Okay, annually YouTube video promotion pack, all in one, super fast for $1, just $1. You can see here. So, and also you can chat. This seller is also online. You can chat them to ask for some questions that you would like to know about their package. So you can see here 10,000 views video promotion, so just $40. So it depends on the niche you are actually doing. And also what's important is that know the kind of seller you want to hire, so that you won't be delivering a late project, because a late project will definitely affect your Fiverr account. So check on the date for the delivery before you start offering the service on the Fiverr marketplace. That is very, very important. It's very, very important. Know the kind of service you want to offer. Check on the competitors, see the date they are charging, see the date they put on their own package. So let's see this one, see the day they are doing it, so that you won't have issue of delivery. So you can see this one, 21 days for the premium package, 14 days for the standard package, and 6 days for the basic package. This is $5. So then you'll be able to know the kind of person or seller you should hire on the SEO Cloud. So that's the fifth niche we will be talking about. So the sixth niche is YouTube Instagram promotion. So Instagram promotion, or you can input Instagram followers. So it depends on the one that you want to do. So, and most business want to grow their Instagram page, so it's left to you on how you package your whole gig. So it's left to you, and you can come here on this place again to offer the service or to hire someone. Instagram promotion. Sorry. Okay, so you can see here, down promotion marketing. They will share your post to 3 million people. So there are different niches also which you can do. So some people will say they will drive traffic to your Instagram page. So it just depends on what you input on Fiverr, or what job you get. So the job you get will determine the person you hire on SEO Cloud. So let's check on Instagram followers and see. Okay, so there's not much people actually doing this, but you can see it gets 1,000 Instagram followers. Fair shout out. So you can see it, and you can offer Instagram shout outs too. Instagram shout out. So this one is not even much, so less than 1000 gigs. So this is cool. It just depends on the one you actually want to do. So it's left to you to decide on these 6 niches in which you can use to make money on Fiverr. So you can see you don't need to have any special skill before you can offer all the service. All you need to do is just to understand how Fiverr works and how that niche work, what they need. Check on your competitors. Once you check on your competitors here, you'll be able to understand what buyer needs, and check on the buyer's review, seller's review. Check what buyer are actually saying about their gig. So this will help you to understand what you need to put in together so that you'll be able to offer a successful service on the Fiverr marketplace. So I believe this video helps you and you are able to choose one out of all the 6 niches that I just explained. So if you like this video, you can drop a comment, subscribe and like the video. And if you don't like it, you can click on the thumb down button, and drop your comments on what exactly you don't like about the video, and I will work on it. Thank you very much for watching.